Okay, time to vacuum.
We need to plug it in first. So where plug it in? Yeah, hold it, hold it.
It's like foot juice.
Perfect.
Oh, fucking hell. Yeah.
Okay. Time to film
I'm
the
already.
vacuum.
Oh my god.
You might want to turn down your volume, earphone users.
I don't think the cord's long enough.
No.
Wait, did you say Daniel's pregnant?
Lego.
Prego? What?
Lego. I picked up a little tiny piece.
The hell? What was that? Wow. Why in there?
Thanks for tuning in.
This
To
isn't
vacuum
this isn't
day.
even over. Still have to go into the back room there and finish it up. I know.
Well, he's not gonna like that.
He's not back there right now. He went downstairs.
Really?
Yeah, he went behind me when you were vacuuming
Oh.
that room. So he's not in there right now. Let's do this. Okay. Come to me. That sounds so stupid. Hurry up. My goodness. Don't got all day. It's already been 5 minutes into the video.
Yeah, 5 minutes. That's not long. It's kind of short.
Stupid. Okay, are you ready for this?
When you're on vacuum duty, do you get here? Whoops.
Yes, I get there.
That was unintended.
What?
I got the stuffy stuck with the wire and I didn't even know. Till I picked it up.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Again. Turn down the volume if you have not turned it up yet.
What?
It's gonna be loud again.
Wait, so if you... Okay, you know what, whatever.
Because I told them to turn the volume down earlier because of the vacuum.
Oh my goodness. You have no idea what you just said, do you?
Whatever.
I almost tripped over a stupid stuffy.
What was that?
What was that? I heard a clank. Did you see anything?
There's a giant clump of paper in there.
What's that sound? Stop. I have no idea what that is. Whatever, hurry up. We only got like a minute left, maybe. It's already, this video is already. Wait, let me see. Bring it close.
Oh, it's like...
Bring it close to my camera, or I will punch you.
See, I found this in there.
Can't really see anything. What is that? Happy Christmas?
Scissors.
That's old.
Mary.
Okay,
2013, that is old. Anyways, vacuum time again. Ears.
This way. Okay.
That's it.
But you still need to... You know what? Never mind. This video has been going on for like 8 minutes now. So...
We're done for the day.
See ya!
Bye!
By the way, I'm still focusing on gaming. It's just I had nothing else to do. I've been sick lately, so... Hopefully you will enjoy this. Probably not.